This is Zach Russo-Alessi with Preferred Exteriors. It's April the 16th, 2024. It is 3:49 p.m., approximately 85 degrees Fahrenheit here in Montgomery, Georgia. As you can see right here by the weather app, we are at the Montgomery residence today to conduct a repair attempt on this back facet of the roofing here. State Farm has acknowledged multiple wind damage shingles throughout the roof, so we're here today to determine whether or not this shingle can be repaired. So we have a new shingle here. We're going to attempt to remove this shingle, put a new shingle in, and document every step of the process throughout. So as you can see, we've noted the back facet here, back slope 134 Hawkins Road. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to break the tar strip on all the two courses above this shingle right here. We got a damage tab marked right here by an X. I'm going to pop that tar strip, break that seal on the two courses above this damaged shingle right here. I'm going to remove the nails out of those shingles, and that way it'll allow this shingle to be removed off of the home. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and begin by popping that tar strip loose on all of these tabs here. It's important to note during this repair, we are using a low profile flat bar to conduct this repair as specified by the carrier State Farm. It's also important to note that we aren't going to be abusive. We're not going to lift these shingles higher than necessary to remove these nails. We're going to be very, very cautious during this repair. So we'll begin by popping. Gonna set all the nails right here. That first course is done. Hit the second course. Alright, that should do it. Might have one more in here somewhere. Oh, right here. Perfect. Alright, we got the old shingle laying here. Right here mid repair, what I'm going to do is go ahead and take some photos just for documentation purposes. Alright. Got the new shingle laying there. Alrighty, so now we're at the second stage of the repair. What we have to do here is put these nails obviously back in the course that we have put back in, and then where we remove the nails, we do have to put those nails back in. However, what is very important to note during this re-nail is, as you can see right here, this nail head must be flush with the roof deck to properly seal this shingle down and provide a watertight seal. It can't be canted to the left, it can't be canted to the right, forward or back. If that is the case, it will not allow for a proper seal on this roof deck and could be a potential for water to enter. So we do need to lift the shingle high enough to make sure that we do have this nail flush with the roof deck and we don't have any further issues down the road and providing a perfect seal with this new shingle. Still going to be very, very cautious when lifting these shingles. Alrighty, that'll do it with the nails. So what we can obviously see right off the bat is cracking, creasing, and fractures on the shingles above. So just for example, when we take a shingle that we have not touched, not repaired, all of the ceramic granules are actually still embedded into the shingle. So if we take our hand and we rub it anywhere on the shingle, all of the granules stay in that asphalt matting. However, when we have a shingle that has fractured, it has cracked, it has caused the granules to become dislodged from the actual shingle. So as you can see right here, you actually have a fracture going across the shingle, and we take our hand and we just rub it 2 times very gently across the shingle. You'll see all of the granules that have become dislodged, causing a crease at the top of that shingle. So what we can determine by this repair is that this shingle is too old, too brittle to be repaired. It is not pliable, and that's why we do have an actual fracture that has ran all the way across the shingle. So what we can determine is that this shingle, or this repair attempt, has failed significantly. Just go ahead and mark these creased shingles, fractured shingles, up with an X, and that'll conclude this repair attempt for today.